So this first one is asking me to everywhere I see an x in my h function, I'm going to substitute that for x plus 1. So my function h of x is equal to x squared plus 1. So then if I wanted to do h of x plus 1, everywhere I see an x value, I'm going to substitute x plus 1. So Diamond, Claire, writing this? Ah, beautiful. I take it back. Diamond, be more like Claire. Done. Okay, so now I need to go ahead and FOIL this out, right? So this is saying x plus 1 times x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, FOIL says here to here, here to here, first, outer, inner, and last. So then that gives me x squared plus x plus 1 plus 1. There are too many. Let's combine it. X squared plus 2x plus 2. There we go. And that's it. We're done. Do I have any questions on this one?
Oh, we're done?
That's it. Oh, for this problem. Okay. So now let's go ahead. The next one tells me I need to plug 7 into H and then H into F. So H said that x squared plus 1. So if I want to find H of 7, that's H into 7 is equal to 7 squared plus 1. It's a terrible 2. Not to be confused with terrible 2s. Okay, 7 squared is what? 49 plus 1. 50. Okay, so that took care of my first step. But now I need to plug that 50 into F. So F says that that's equal to 2x minus 1. But I want to find F of 50. I'll slow down. Okay. All right, so if I plug F into 50 or 50 into F, I get 2 times 50 minus 1, which is equal to 100 minus 1, which is what? 99. Mm-hmm. Okay, any questions on number 2? All right, last but not least for composition of functions. Okay, so this tells me that, okay, H needs to go into G, and G has to go into F. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to go and write off all my functions. H of x. It's okay. We can do it. We can do it. G of x is equal to 3x, and F is equal to 2x minus 1. All right, so my first step says to put H into G. So g of x is equal to 3x. So g of h of x would be 3 times x squared plus 1. Okay, then maybe to simplify, what would my simplified or distributed function be? 3x squared plus 3. Okay, so that takes care of h into g. Now I have to take this whole thing and I need to stick it into my f function. So f of 3x squared plus 3 would equal 2 times the 3x squared plus 3. Okay, distribute the 2 to give me 6x squared plus 6 minus 1. So what will my final answer be? Plus 5. Don't forget the minus 1, right? That minus 1. All right, so yeah, that was h into g into f.